Today, we're diving into a question that's got everyone buzzing. Can AI sustain itself financially? Or is there a burst in the bubble waiting just around the bend? Put on your seatbelt because this one's a roller coaster. Artificial intelligence, the marvel of modern technology, has been on an unstoppable rise. From healthcare to finance, and even in our daily lives, AI is making waves. But with great power comes great financial responsibility. So the big question is, can AI keep this momentum going without hitting a financial snag? First, let's talk money. Over the past decade, AI investments have skyrocketed. Venture capitalists are pouring billions into AI startups, hoping to strike gold. In 2023 alone, global AI funding crossed a whopping $70 billion. But here's the catch. Not all that glitters is gold. History has taught us that rapid growth often leads to bubbles. Remember the dot-com bubble of the late 90s? Companies with flimsy business models received outrageous valuations, only to crash spectacularly. Could AI be on a similar path? On one hand, AI applications are groundbreaking and profitable. Autonomous vehicles, predictive analytics, and personalized marketing are just a few areas where AI is not just surviving, but thriving. Companies that harness AI effectively are reaping massive rewards. Let's interject some information from some industry experts. Andrew Ng, co-founder of Google Brain and Coursera, believes AI is revolutionizing industries and creating new revenue streams. As long as companies innovate and adapt, AI will continue to be a lucrative investment. On the other hand, Gary Marcus, a cognitive scientist and co-author of Rebooting AI, warns of the overhype. He notes that many AI startups have yet to prove their business models can sustain long-term. We need to be cautious and realistic. Lastly, Kai-Fu Lee, author of AI Superpowers, provides a balanced view. He acknowledges AI's advancements and profits, but also cautions against overvaluation. Investors should focus on AI solutions with real-world applications and proven results. The truth lies somewhere in between. While AI's potential is immense, the market must be wary of overvaluation and unsustainable business models. Investors need to perform due diligence and focus on AI solutions with real-world applications and proven results. So, will AI sustain itself financially, or is a bubble burst inevitable? The answer isn't black and white. It's a complex interplay of innovation, market demand, and financial prudence. One thing's for sure, the AI journey is far from over, and it's going to be an exciting ride. That's all for today, folks. If you enjoyed this video, smash the like button, share with your friends, and subscribe for more fascinating insights. I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye, and thanks for watching and listening.